Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Got this package a couple days ago from, as you can see, Spotify, and I ordered up a little something the other day, so let's open it up and see what I got. Oh, I should have got a better knife. So a couple reasons I picked up this product from Spotify. One, it is super cheap right now. It's about $29.99, 30 bucks. It's just something that I thought would be interesting to check out. I figured my first unboxing video would be with you guys. So, Spotify car thing. There's a little look at the front there. I think it's pretty interesting. Never wait for your favorite song. Just ask. You drive the car, your voice drives the music. So it sounds like you can talk to this thing, kind of like a little assistant while you're driving. Yeah, look, definitely. Hey Spotify, play my daily drive. And nothing on back or front or on the sides there. So let's open this thing up, see what it looks like. Not terrible packaging. It's interesting, like a pink box. Slide that cover off. That definitely looks cool with the Spotify logo there. Lift this lid up here, and there's our first look at it right there. You can definitely see this big wheel. It's very tactile feeling. You can definitely feel the clicks. Let's see if we can get this thing out of here. So let's put this to the side, see what else we get in the box here. So just some cardboard to hold it secure in place. Looks like we get an instruction manual of some sort here. So let's open this up and just to kind of see what is all in here. Looks like, yeah, do not attempt to repair car thing. Call support. So we got some, support documentation, a little guide on how to set it up and get it going. Cool. We'll look at that stuff here in a little bit, and then how to set it up, how to connect it to power, and everything right there. We'll leave that right there because it's going to get into the next part. Looks like it comes with some mounts. The mounts mount to the back of this, which we'll get into that here in a little bit. Looks like a car vent mount. I'm not sure what kind of mount this is. It's definitely interesting looking. We'll have to figure that one out here in a little bit. Looks like a dash mount. Has some 3M adhesive on there. We could stick that on there to our dash if we wanted to. And it looks like maybe magnetic. This kind of feels magnetic, but I'm not totally sure. We'll have to dig into the instructions. Okay, next. Ooh, got a nice little cable, Type-C, so it's nice to see that it's a Type-C charger. And Type-A on the other side. Braided cable, so it looks really nice. So yeah, nice braided cable. Gotta like how they kind of put that. And remember guys, this is only $30 right now. I think originally it started around 50, 60, maybe even $70, but now it's all the way down to 30. And it looks like a little power adapter, and it's pretty nice. You get two Type-A ports right there, so you can plug that into your car and plug it into anything else. Let's see what else. A little cleaning cloth that comes with it also. And I'm not totally sure what these things do. Maybe some ways to mount cables in your car so it doesn't get everywhere. It looks like that's everything in the box. So let's look at the unit right here. Pretty nice. Got a rotating wheel there. So that looks like, oh, and you can push it in too, so, you know, I don't know if the camera can pick that up, but you can push that in, rotate it. You got a button right here also, and then it looks like 5 buttons on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and maybe some microphone ports. In the back it's pretty simple. Got the Type-C port, and then just got this little thing over here. So it's pretty nice looking. Almost kind of like a small phone. So we got the peel here, so let's do the peel. Oh, I messed that one up. There it is. Nice. Cool. Okay, let's see if we can't get this thing plugged in. Okay, so I got the USB cord plugged into some power here at my desk, and we're just going to plug this in and see what happens. First time it's been powered up, or first time it's been plugged in. There we go, got it all the way in now. Let me see. It says use adapter. I don't know if you guys can see that very well. Use adapter to power card thing. Use the adapter provided with your device. So maybe it's not happy that I plugged it into my computer. Okay, so let's figure that out. So maybe on first setup, you may not be able to plug it in on the computer. So we'll have to figure that one out. I'm gonna have to find a power brick to plug that in. Okay, let me check that out. Okay, let's try to plug it into another power. I got it just plugged into a regular power cord. So, okay, looks like it's booting up now. Spotify. Okay, first time starting up. So, welcome to Car Thing. Get started. So, it looks like this screen is a touch screen. So let's, yep. So there you go. Start setup. Point your phone's QR or camera at this QR code. So let's see. Use my iPhone here. Not saying I'm an iPhone user, but it's what I got handy at the moment. So just open Spotify, set up your car thing. So we'll put this right here next, and we can kind of watch what's going on. So it says do not set up or mount car thing while driving. Smart. Okay, open iPhone settings and tap on Bluetooth. Okay, so let's go settings, Bluetooth. It's looking. It's not finding it yet. There you go, car thing, right there. Okay, make sure the pairing code is the same, and that looks the same. Okay, it's connected. Alright, so Car Thing will play music and podcasts through the Spotify app on this phone. Let's check your car stereo connection. Next. So we're just gonna act like it's an aux or USB cable. Cool. So we're gonna just say we hear it. We'll go next. So looks like it comes with a CD mount, a dash mount, and a vent mount. So I'm gonna go with this is the CD mount. This is the vent mount. This is the dash mount. I'm gonna go with a vent mount. So, no, actually, I'm gonna go with CD mount. So it kind of tells you how to do that. So looks like you just slide it in. Perfect. Okay. Okay, and attach it. Perfect. Okay, so it looks like this thing Comes into the back of here. Somehow. Alright, looks like this gets connected there, and then this just magnets to the back. That's really nice, strong magnet. So you guys see that? Boom. So, really strong. You know, it takes a lot of force to get it off there, so that's awesome. Okay, so we're going to continue this setup here in the Spotify app. So, unlock my phone here. Alright, so says we're ready to go.
Hi,
so
welcome to Car Thing. Before starting your drive, let's take a quick tour.
Okay, so go through a tour here. So it looks like it's restarting up. So
Hi, welcome to Car Thing. Before starting your drive, let's take a quick tour.
let's get that out of here before we get some copyright music. Okay.
Using your voice to get to music and podcasts is easy. Let's do a little practice run.
We can use voice.
With Car Thing, you can also... Okay, we'll skip the rest of the tour. Enjoy Car Thing.
Cool.
And have a great drive.
Cool, so looks like it's pretty much set up. So just, you know, let's play around with some of this. Looks like, oh, okay, looks like that main button there on the right gets you to the main screen. Okay, pretty cool. This little tactile knob, you can rotate it and it kind of gets you to everything. We can take a little look at my liked songs here. You just click on that, and then I think you can sit there and even, yeah, you can use the touch screen and just use it as a touch screen. Let's see what these top buttons do. We're going to press the top left one. Let's stop that before we get any copyright, but yeah, it looks like it just plays a song. Okay, so right now it's set up for different playlists, so that's pretty cool. Looks like it made a daily drive, looks like a little bit of stuff. So in the next week or so, I'm going to sit there and use this and, you know, give another impression in about a week or so. See how I like it, you know, see if it's a good buy. I think this is mostly used for people that don't have like an Android Auto or a Apple CarPlay, you know, in their vehicles, to make it a little bit easier for them to listen to music in their cars. So, you know, come back, you know, if you like the video, like, subscribe, you know, comment if you think I missed or anything. Yeah, and then come back in like a week or so. I'm going to have kind of reaction. I'm going to use this for a good week or so and, you know, see how I like it. So, we'll see you guys around. Have a good one.